Former national para-athlete Dean Stewart is on the hunt for a job, and he's bemoaning the struggles to get employed, for one, because he's disabled. A Hart graduate with 5 CXCs and 2 GCE A-levels, Stewart has been on the hunt for a job since 2007 when he was last employed at the National Housing Trust. Denise Walters has the details.
Former para-athlete Dean Stewart, while on his job quest, is imploring that the mindset with which persons with disabilities are treated be changed. He believes that unfortunately disabled persons are discriminated against.
Them need the fair chance, just like how you would have gotten the fair chance. Because why they would have said I can't do this work? You see where you would have to do sit down and interview me. They would have said I can't do that work here because me have to go need to move. So me have to go stay in the office. So I find that discriminating too. You know, and I sit down and use your hand like what me would have do. So I figure as long as him have the skill set, or as long as him have, if it's evil, the know-how, send him back, train him, and make him get a job. Fair. As you wouldn't have so much disabled people who educated. They're on the road, beg people.
What's the job he's hunting?
I always send resume to places like digital line because they're mostly taking data, and that's exactly what I was trained to do. Putting data into a computer, build web page, design a web page. But whatever, as long as it's not something for me to walk, because I was born without legs, so there's no walking. But whatever it is that going to need me computer-wise, then yeah.
Stewart also feels that there's another reason he's not employed.
I tell you, Jamaica run links. I don't have no links. As I was telling the boss one morning, I that work. Because I know people who don't have 5 CXC, who have a job. So it show you. Him don't have 5 CXC, him just know somebody, as me tell you. So me feel say we need to start look at disabled people, not just if him play sports, but as long as him is a human being, give him a fair chance, make him get a job. If him can manage a job, don't say because the door cannot open wide enough. Build a better door jam for him, go through.
And the Jamaica Paralympic Association?
Long time I play sports. I play sports for me too. I basically born at the rehab center. You know, I stay up there straight. So everybody who is a part of the Paralympic Association now, when they watch it later, they know who me is. They know exactly how I talk. They know exactly how I stay. None of them wouldn't have been of any significant help.
Meanwhile, activist Lloyd De Aguilar, who is assisting Stewart, says he deserves a fair shot.
I believe that it would be good for him to have prosthetic legs. He had them once in his life, and he said he grew them out. So I believe that we can help him and get him prosthetic legs, get him a tablet or laptop, and get him a job.
De Aguilar is appealing for agencies to help.
There are many agencies of government, of sports, that should really try to help him as much as possible. And so I'm here advocating on his behalf.
He has also started a GoFundMe page with a goal of $5,000 to help Stewart get prosthetic legs. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.